So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to install a larger vinyl decal onto a surface here. This is for customers that have a hard time putting things on that are bigger. Okay, so what you are going to need is a squeegee and a knife. Oh, also you're gonna need some tape. So let me grab my mask. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, line your decal up. Always clean it first, sorry, but line it up where you want it. This one I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it right here. Okay, then you want to take a piece of tape, run it down the middle. Okay, like so. You can squeegee that on there if you want. Next thing you want to do is get your decal over here, start pulling it off of your transfer tape. Pull it off slow because some of these decals like to stay down on the paper and not come up with the transfer mask. Okay, now you see how I got that pulled off about halfway? So go ahead and cut that paper off. And if you need a pair of extra hands, have someone help you, because some of these bigger ones can be really hard by yourself. Trust me, I've learned that the hard way. Okay, now that I got that up, I'm going to just slowly take my squeegee and just slide it down the decal like so. Alright, so now you got half of your decal applied, okay? Now the reason for the tape is to keep it from moving around. So at this point you can remove the tape. Okay, tape is gone. Now you want to take this side, pull it over. Now this is the tricky part. Slowly just pull that away from the decal. See how that's coming right up? Coming right up there. Okay, now right there, see how that wants to stick? So what I do is I lay it back down, just kind of rub it with my finger, and then try it again. If you notice any parts coming up, see there's a little spot right there. I just drop it back down, rub it with my finger. And don't get too excited when you get towards the end and you feel like, all right, it's coming, you know. I've done that where I've gotten excited and I just take it right off and it screws it up. Okay, so now pick it up, don't let it fall down. Same thing with your squeegee. Slide it. And if you start noticing a wrinkle in your transfer mask, try to pick it back up and correct it, but that's why it's important to keep it nice and flat. Okay. Now take your squeegee, give as much as you want. Now here's the part, sorry about this camera you guys, I'm trying a new tripod here and I like it, but I don't. I hope you can see this. Okay, so I'm going to grab the corner here, pull it back like that, put my squeegee under there, and now I pull on the tape, not the squeegee. Just pull the tape like that with your fingers. And keep the tape, really keep the squeegee and the tape tight together, and at this point you pull on the tape, not the squeegee. Let the tape do the work. There we go. And there it is. Went on like a champ. Looks beautiful. Great design. Demonstration only. This is just on the back of a chalkboard thing. But yeah, I love it. If you have any questions, let me know. If I missed something, let me know. Love to help. Thanks for watching.